And welcome back once again. My name is James Henderson, coming to you live from where else? Malairte the high frequency trading firm. So you've registered now. And if you haven't, just look on our YouTube channel and you'll find our how to register video. Once you've logged in and you wanna get started with Bittrex or Binance or Cryptopia. Well, let's set up a Bittrex account, and we're gonna have other videos for Binance, Cryptopia, Polynex, Robinhood. But let's go with the Bittrex account. Click on Bittrex, and let's say, for an example, that I have about 20 Ethereum coins because I was a huge investor in the beginning, and I just want them to be invested in. Instead of me going through an ICO and having a chance to lose all my Ethereum tokens, I can actually go to an exchange and start exchanging them to, in return, get more, you know, Ethereum. So this is how it's going to be done. So let's say I want to see all the Ethereum. So you type in ETH in the global search, and what this will do is then bring up all the Ethereum exchanges that are on Bittrex. As you can tell, we have about 6 pages of of all these Ethereum, you know, tokens in exchange. Let's say I want to see all of them. Well, go up here to show, click on 1,000, and then what that'll do is see all the Ethereum exchanges that are out there. All total of 252 changes. Now let's start making changes to the bot. So currently it's set to find the 24% low of the Ethereum of ETH80A. Look at it, try to find the low and then purchase it, and then sell it at a 3% profit with no stop losses, and I'm going to invest in 0.10. Well, maybe that's not how you like to trade. Maybe you like to see these tokens that have these wild 48-hour swings, and I don't want to be right above the first 24-hour lows because I'll know that it'll drop another 5, 6, 8%. Well, if we click on the Bittrex market and click on markets, we'll know that some of these Ethereum markets currently are down 9% off the 24-hour lows. And then of course, the other half of them, well, they're above. So how do we make the most of the profit that we want? Well, it's going to be up to you, but this can be a short video of how to set it up globally, and then you'll be able to analyze it and get more detailed on each and every one later on if you choose to do so. But let's take, for instance, let's say that all of them have these wild 48-hour swings, ETH, like the D market. Let's get back up here. Oh, okay, someone's doing a pump and dump. Well, or they had some news out there. I don't know. But as you can tell, that these, for the last 4 days, we've had some wild swings. So I want to take the 24-hour low starting here, which would be here, or let's for an example here, right? And then I want to say negative 3% off the 24-hour lows. and then try to sell at 6%, you know, at what I bought it for. Well, I can go here and say I want a negative 3% off the 24-hour lows, and then I want to sell 6% above what I bought it for. Well, that it's all fine and dandy, but I don't want to do that for all of them. Let's see, that's the DTM. Well, it's either I can search for DTM, ETH-DTM here, which is right here, or I could just do ETH-DTM or DMT here. So negative 3, I want to sell at 6%. All right. Well, I can do that, but let's say I want to do it for all of them. Well, that's easy. Go up here to global profit, put in negative 3:6, tab over, and they'll all change. In the global setting up here, it'll only change for what is being viewed on the page. Now, if you have multiple pages, it won't affect the next page. All right. Now let's go with current investments. You know, let's say I've got 20 Ethereum. Well, I want to try to invest as many Ethereums as I can on a mass production level. So what I'll want to do is put 0.10 to put in a dime to invest a dime in each of the currency trades. Click tab out, and that'll change all these. And then I want to, of course, turn all the altcoins on. I can either do this by hand, one by one, or do it, you know, or set up the global setting here and click once. But let's say I want to get into something particular. I only want to view the top traded altcoins. Well, see, that's when you're going to have to do something more specific in your own investing. So you can click on, you know, the Bittrex, click on the volume. Well, since we're talking about the Ethereum market, click on the volume, and let's say I just want to trade the top 5 and get most out of my money. Well, that's easy to do. And this happens to be the most profitable for a lot of people. Go ahead and turn them all off. So that means that they won't be trading. Go back here saying I want to do Poly, XRP, Stratus, Ethereum, Classic, and Zcash. Alright, well, that's a lot to remember. So instead of, you know, searching here and finding it, do Poly. And once again, Poly has some wild swings, 24-hour sessions. So I'm going to go ahead and change that to, you know, -4 or -5. And I'm going to try to get 7% profit from my trade. And since I'm only going to be dealing with the top 5 and I've got 20 Ethereum tokens in there, well, then I can go ahead and say I want to invest in 4 Ethereum tokens when I try to make this trade. Let's see. And of course, the next one is XRP. Here it is. Once again, you know, I want to invest in 4 Ethereum coins, and of course, when you look at the top 5, you notice that the swing trades aren't that dramatic like poly is. So we're looking at probably about negative 97.5. So we're probably looking about a negative 2.4%. So let's do that. Negative 2, and I'm gonna try to make 4% profit off of this. Of course, I'm gonna turn this guy on. My next one is Stratus. Once again, I'm going to keep that on negative 3 and 6. Try to make 3% profit. And of course, ETC 4. I know that there's more wild swing trades here. So 5, and try to make 10% profit off of that. And of course, let's do ADA. I happen to like this trading pair. I made a lot of money off of it. So I'm gonna get 1% above the 24-hour low, and then try to make it at 4% profit. And of course, trading my investment, put it back to 4, turn on that trade, and then I'm ready to go. So now I've got 5 Ethereum tradings that I just want to sit back and just let them trade. All right. So now I click on settings, click on Bittrex. I want to go back to my Bittrex API key and secret key, copy them, and put those in. Of course, since for demo purposes only, I'm not actually going to put them in. Like I said, I've got 20 Ethereum coins in there. I don't have any Bitcoins in my account. So, but I only want to trade 10 of my Ethereum coins. All right. So let's just say for demo purposes, I want to just trade 10 of my Ethereum. I can do that, or I can trade in all of them. And so every profit that I'd make, I wouldn't trade that. So, which is sometimes a good thing. And of course, if I have any tether, well, I can trade that too. But for demo purposes, I don't. Let's say I don't have any tether. And then of course, click on trades left. Click update, and this will start trading, and it'll start put you in the trading queue in about 10 to 15 to 30 minutes. As the site gets more popular, it takes a little bit longer to get the users to start trading. So what's this 10 trades left? Well, this 10 trades left is you have currently 10 trades that I've given you to see if the bot works on your behalf without you spending any money. But after that, I'm gonna charge you 0.01 BTC per 1,000 trades. So what happens if I don't have any BTC in my account? I'd get one then. Or what it's going to do after it goes through the 10 trades is pull out, if it can pull out and charge you 0.01 BTC, then your account will be turned off. But if it is, it'll give you 1,000 trades, and so every buy trade that comes along, you'll be charged 1 trade. And then after you click update, and it starts trading, then when you click on home, you'll find out that your Bittrex exchange is activated. You will then see through your estimated profit of what the bot trades when it buys and sells. It'll show down here. So, and then you'll also get to see how many trades you have left. So currently we know that the Bitcoin price, the average is $8,090, and the bot itself has done over 6,370 trades. It's not bad, but I'm every day I'm working on it, trying to make it better. So, and that's it. So if you have any more comments, questions, concerns, just let me know and let's get started trading. All right.